These are all those little things, and they're not a lot, 10-15 ही होंगी maximum, that you kind of sort of have to work out in the beginning of your relationship. I want to ask you, how do you make a happy, healthy, like a relationship that lasts, sustainable, robust, whatever you want to say?
It sounds very weird, but I think to make a relationship work, you have to be selfish. Because otherwise it is not sustainable. It can sustain for a day, it can sustain for a month. But if you are not selfish and if you are not very clear on what you want, or if you don't know what you want, if you're not very clear that you don't know what you want, and you don't express that honestly, clearly, it's not sustainable. मतलब मजा ही नहीं आएगा, and eventually it's going to crack. So, I mean, it sounds very weird, but be selfish
Right.
to make a relationship work.
Let me tighten that for you.
Yeah.
पता है, I think relationships are like a kind of a football game with its own rules. ठीक है? Football game imagine करते हैं. Suppose मैं और सिड एक दोस्ती के relationship में. Let's just use that and we can do the Rahul thing, stretch it to love from right? सिड का एक गोल है, मेरा एक गोल है, हम दोनों बीच में खड़े हुए हैं. किक ऑफ होता है. अब हम दोनों का काम पता है क्या है? That we stay in the middle, passing the ball around to each other. As soon as I get too selfish, I will start pushing in the direction of Sid's goal. If I get too selfless, no matter what, no matter how good a person Sid is, we will slowly start to get pulled towards my goal. And our job is to stay in the middle. And it's both our responsibility. Like one of the best things I've learned in my say, experience of being in romantic relationships, which are very up close and personal, is sometimes I see them make a mistake or make an exception for me. And I tell them, listen, don't let this be the case for very long. You're being too selfless here. Right? And it's like, I'm trying to maintain that balance because the tension's very important. It is so easy to lose respect for somebody because they are so selfless in trying to get your attention. They're giving too much. And you know, like we were using that example with Sunita where you're constantly asking, you're like, I don't want this anymore. To maintain that tension is a two-way street too. It's almost like a dance.
Yeah.
And you have to try and stay in the middle. But here's what I'll tell you, bro. This worked for me wonderfully well in my last relationship. Anytime we had a conflict, एक तो होते हैं specifics of situation. एक होते हैं जो पीछे generals हैं, principles हैं. I would make sure we would discuss each of them, whatever was relevant. ठीक है, I am willing to agree about this right now, but in general, this is what I think. All of that was discussed to the T. जहां पे भी high conflict zones थे ना, they were consciously understood और उसके around एक proper तरीका था. For instance, when I get upset, I don't talk. I leave the room. I don't like to see myself angry. I don't respect that part of me. I don't want to be the guy who's angry. I'm very, like, whenever I get angry, I'm out of control, which is very rarely. But if I would ever have a reason to be upset, I just get up and walk away. That was a problem in my last relation. The other person would feel like, this guy walked away. We worked out a proper system so that my natural expression and her natural expectation could come in order. These are all those little things, and they're not a lot, 10-15 ही होंगी maximum, that you kind of sort of have to work out in the beginning of your relationship. Much like this, you cannot let this hyper possessive तुम कहाँ हो, तुमने क्या कपड़े पहने हैं, तुम किसके साथ हो type की vibe creep in the beginning of the relationship. Because if you set that example at the inception, this is forever going to be a recallable case. अगर if somebody is a law student, somebody's read law, you've understood एक case law होता है कि पहले कोर्ट्स ने ये रूल किया है, देखो रेफरेंस. वो सेम सिचुएशन होने लगती है दिमाग में एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ कि हम ऐसे बात करते हैं, हमारे रूल्स ये सेट हो गए हैं बात करने के. यू हैव टू बी वेरी थॉरो विद व्हाट यू डोंट नेगोशिएट विद. लाइक फॉर मी, वन रूल अक्रॉस रिलेशनशिप्स, यू चीट टू मी, यू चीट विद मी, यू चीट ऑन मी, दैट्स इट, नो मैटर व्हाट. तुम मेरे को कितनी भी रीजनेबल एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दो, एक सिंपल रूल है, दिमाग नहीं लगाता मैं उसके बियॉन्ड. खत्म, कोई लोड नहीं है, योर चॉइस. राइट, दैट्स अ नॉन नेगोशिएबल फॉर मी. आई डोंट वांट कि मैं हमेशा मुड़ मुड़ के देखता रहूं कि मैं इसको ट्रस्ट कर सकता हूं कि नहीं. द होल रीजन यू आर माई ब्लडी पार्टनर इज टू डोंट हैव टू लुक कॉन्स्टेंटली टू सी इफ आई कैन ट्रस्ट यू और नॉट. यू ब्रेक इट वंस, वी आर डन. लाइकवाइज विद मी, इफ आई ब्रेक इट वंस, आई विल वॉक अवे. राइट, और ये वो पार्ट है डांस मेंटेन करने का मिडिल में. सपोज मैंने ये कंडीशन डाल दी and the other person has no condition on me, I will exploit them over a long period of time. No matter how much I try, I'll be selfish over a long period of time, no matter what I do. So I have to remind them, hey, you need to have non-negotiables. So you set a playing field for yourself. You decide what the boundary conditions are. You decide what the goalposts are. And then you find a way to stay in the middle and dance. Some of the most beautiful conversations I've had trying to, make that relationship solid and robust and make it work. Like, I learned, मेरे घर पे ना गिफ्ट गिविंग कल्चर नहीं है. बर्थडे कोई गिफ्ट नहीं देता किसी को. हमारे यहाँ गिफ्ट्स का तो मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं. I didn't realize how much it means to people. I didn't realize what a beautiful feeling it is to pick out a meaningful gift for somebody. Right? And vice versa, I didn't know what made me feel like I was, somebody's affectionate towards me. There's all these things about you discover. कि क्या बोलने से मेरे को कैसा लगता है, किस बिहेवियर से. एंड उसमें कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं that are disruptive. Like my anger is. And I'm not very angry ever, but like I know, I don't want that. Never to my father, never to my mother, never to my sister. Abhi recently I got angry at my sister. I still regret it. I can't get it out of my head. Because I don't like myself when I'm angry. And so you need to fine tune all those places for yourself and the other person. You need to learn how to offer criticism. You need to learn when to offer criticism. These are not things that are obvious. Sometimes you're like, कितनी obvious बात है, तुम ये गलत कर रही हो. भाई सुनो, ये वक्त नहीं है बोलने का. अभी आग नहीं लग रही लंका में. कल बोलना. ये चीज भी सीखनी पड़ती है. ये अपने आप से नहीं आती है. Like you can't do that. Then you have meaningless what is quote unquote meaningless discussion about stuff that is not relevant to you or your life at all. But it is so meaningful to them, and you have to learn how to incorporate that to be part of your life. It's constant, bro. It's constant. It never ends trying to make it work with somebody else. And so you want to make sure your beginning is sorted, that you've laid the foundation of this well. And I'd repeat this sentence over and over. We need to lay the foundation of this thing well. It needs to be based on truth and trust and all these good things. Right? It cannot be based on jealousy and stuff like that. It cannot be based on being possessive. It needs to be based on ek aur cheez. It needs to be based on a common dream you dream with them. See, I'm not saying day one pe baat kar lo, but at some point you'll dream a common dream with them. ये अकम्प्लिश करना है, उसके मीन्स ये हैं, उसमें ये होगा ये नहीं होगा. और ये भी नहीं है उसको फॉलो करो टू द प्लान. कंपनी नहीं चला रहे हो तुम, बट एक टीम बना रहे हो. उस टीम का एक कॉमन पर्पस होना जरूरी है. बिल्ड अ स्टोरी. हैव लाइक एक तो कॉमन बिलीव्स, कॉमन वैल्यूज, इन चीज़ों को हम वैल्यू करते हैं. राइट? like it's like hiring. हम कंपनी वाली एनालॉजी पुश करते हैं. To select who you want to spend a considerable part of your future with is a lot like hiring. You have to see तुम culturally, value wise किसके साथ align करते हो. Specifics अलग हो सकते हैं. Specifics अलग हो सकते हैं. क्या हमारे general principles किसी भी sense में align करते हैं? That is a question you need to ask. Right? तो तुम हो सकता है नॉन वेज खाओ, मैं वेज खाऊं, बट अगर हम दोनों को generally we love animals, तो ठीक है. You see, like the principles common, the general specifics can be different. You need to work a lot, like you need to figure out who fits in with, say, a general vision for your life. मैं plan या success या ambition की बात नहीं कर रहा. A general vision for your life. Well, if you like my content, if you like whatever you heard or whatever you've heard in the past, please do me a favor. Please press the subscribe button. This is the most generic appeal I can make to you. बहुत मेहनत लगती है. कई रातों में सो नहीं पाता, रोता रहता हूँ. Please subscribe button. Please. नहीं होता यार मेरे से इतना सीरियस ये वाला काम.